Hello from Mindpads. TOK Essay, November 2017. Topic number 5. The simplest explanation is the best explanation. Discuss this statement with reference to two areas of knowledge. Knowledge question 1. What are the essential characteristics of a simple explanation? A simple explanation makes the understanding and knowing easier, uncomplicated, and effortless. Taking easy hold on to our senses and mind, a simple explanation removes the clutter and focuses on what is essential, basic, and fundamental, an accessory of a good idea. A simple explanation having a condition, a property, a quality of simplicity implies clarity, purity, elegance, and beauty. In religious systems, simplicity is the main theme for most of religions around the world. The religious texts and preachings support and encourage simplifying one's life in order to focus on the most important. In the area of arts, simplicity is what artists strive to achieve, to express, connect, and communicate with the rest of the world. A simple piece of art draws the senses and succeeds in evoking imagination, emotion, and memories. For additional content, read more at Mindpads.org. Knowledge question 2. What are the reasons for preferring simple explanation? From a broader perspective, simplicity encompasses the idea of elegant brevity, economical representation, and narration for all areas of knowledge. When providing an explanation or reasons or the why and wherefore, complex approaches bring in multiple entangled dimensions that are difficult to isolate and comprehend. A complex approach packed with too many variables, contingencies, and undefined areas results in only witnessing chaos. Simpler explanations are preferable to more complex ones because they are more testable, and a theory is only as good as its ability to be tested. Occam's razor's principle, proposed by William of Occam in the 14th century, through Lalita's non esponeda the necessitate, translates as entities should not be multiplied unnecessarily. If two explanations or theories have the same predictions, the razor selects the simpler explanation or the theory. It does not guarantee accuracy, only establishes priorities. The same principle is very commonly used in decision making. Occam's razor is also used to examine and scrutinize conspiracy theories. If the line of reasoning contains too many suppositions and presuppositions, too many assumptions, it is a sign to drop that conspiracy theory. As mentioned earlier, the simple explanation does not prove the other explanations or theories inaccurate. It merely replaces the other explanations. Knowledge question 3. Do you think there is a trade-off between simple explanation and accuracy? Simple explanations transform complex ideas and concepts into easy, graspable, lucid expressions. In the process, there is always a possibility of loss of precision or the exactness of the concept or the idea, rendering the simple explanation inaccurate. As reflected in the quote by Albert Einstein, everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. The simplicity of an explanation or the expression should not forego the core elements critical in preserving the accuracy. It is most commonly noted that for simplicity to increase, the accuracy is compromised, and vice versa. For example, our affinity for anthropomorphism, for objects, concepts, theories, and processes, a selfish gene, family of planetary systems, monstrously sucking black holes. It is fitted and lucid, but tending to be misleading. Our affinity for simplicity may make us see patterns where none exist, and thus compromising the accuracy of knowledge. However, there may not be a case of trade-off, and simplicity and accuracy are not mutually exclusive characteristics of knowledge, and both can coexist. which depends so much on the capability of a genius, an artist, a great explainer to combine the essence with lucidness. Knowledge in itself is simplification of idea or the concept that is condensed using language that is comprehensible. Knowledge question 4. What ways of knowing play a dominant role in seeking out a simple explanation? As found by cognitive linguists and scientists, simple explanations through models and metaphors not only appeal to the similarities but create similarities by either downplaying or highlighting certain aspects meant to attribute specific meaning and in turn shape our sense of reality. The simple explanations carry us into realms of imagination, evoke feelings and memories that relate and establish similarities and analogies with familiar physical world and experiences. When Einstein used the metaphor of taut rubber mat and a heavy ball dynamics for us to imagine relativity in space-time concept, we all seem to know what scientist was talking about, without actually understanding relativity through mathematical tensors. Cognitive scientists have also established the role of simplicity in our inferential psychology, primarily in decision-making processes. In the area of human sciences, apart from this, simplicity influences perception, pattern recognition, learning, and high-level cognition in human beings. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For additional content, visit us at Mindpads.org, and for any queries, write to us at Mindpads.org@gmail.com.